Hey friends, Monica from Honeybee Designs here to show you how to design a t-shirt in Canva. So here's our new design. We're going to start with pulling in our pet. So you're going to find that in Uploads. You'll have already downloaded it to your computer or your phone. And then you'll just pull it up with the Upload Files button. And then you'll find it here. So we brought in Honey here, my cute little Cavapoo. Now we're going to our elements in the left toolbar and we're searching for some sort of prop. So I wanted to search for mouse ears to give Honey a little Disney look. So looking through all of our options here, remember that the Pro options will have watermarks and you have to pay for them. I'm going to go ahead and keep this one. I like that, so I'm going to crop it from the bottom so it doesn't stick out so much on her head, position it. Now we're going to go back and look for some cute flowers that we can decorate her little mouse ears with. So I don't know how many Disney fans we have out there, but my husband and I have yet to go to a Disney park together. So that's definitely on our to-do list. I love Disney and he does too, but just haven't ever gone together for whatever reason. Anyways, I'm recoloring the element here just by tapping on the colors up there in the left and then tapping on what color I want to change it to. So a keyboard shortcut to copy and paste on Mac is to hold Control-C and then Control-V to paste, and it'll just paste right on top of the original element, and so you can flip it or rearrange it however you want and just pull it off of the original one and place it wherever you like. So I think that's looking really cute there. I'm liking how that looks. I'm going to look up some more elements. Let's look for a lanyard. Maybe we can make it look like Honey's got her own little Disney pass in there. So I'm going to pull down to resize this element, see if that looks natural on her neck. Some of the elements are going to have a hard time looking natural on your pet, so you just kind of have to search until you find a good one. Let's see if this one works. So it has to be the right size too. Doesn't fit quite. Yeah, let's not do a lanyard. Let's look for Disney. Oh, so there's lots of, yeah, this is kind of fun. So we're going to resize that, see if we can have that in the background maybe. The classic Disney Pictures logo. Yeah, lots of good options here, but yeah, just be aware that a lot of these elements are Canva Pro elements, so if you want to try out Canva Pro for a free trial, I have a link down in my description. So I'm just clicking Edit Image since it's not allowing me to change the colors. And I'm using the Duotone tool here to change the color to this blush. And then if I click on the blush again, it'll give you these options. So I'm changing the shadows and the highlights to completely change the color of the logo. And pro tip, picking colors is a lot easier when you've already set up your brand kit. So you just have like 10 colors to choose from or even less than that. Next, we're going to click on position and we're going to push this logo to the back, to the very back. If you just click backward, it's just going to push it back behind one element. And cropping your pet is actually going to make it a lot easier to put props on them. So we're going to crop Honey in just a little bit so that I can get to this element behind her. That's looking really cute. I like that. To make it easier to move Honey around, I'm going to now group all these elements. So all I did was click on each element while holding down the Shift key and then press group there at the top right. When you're ready to ungroup the elements, there will be a button that pops up when you click on the element and it'll say ungroup. Okay, so I'm going to speed this up a little bit, but just showing you really quick here with the rulers. The guiding rulers are really helpful so that you know where the exact center of the page is for both horizontally and vertically. If you want to add rulers, you just click on File and there's options to add a grid or rulers. So once you're happy with your design and ready to get it printed, you're going to just click on the Print T-shirts button in the top right, or you could click on Share, but we're going to click on Print T-shirts and you can adjust your design and you can adjust it and see the adjustments in real time in this little window here with the mock-up with the model with the t-shirt. If you like that better, you can also click on the arrows next to the mock-up to see it bigger. And then if you come down here and you can choose whether you want to have just an image on the front or the front and back, change the color of the t-shirt. You can see how it's going to look on a white t-shirt as opposed to a black t-shirt. And then you can close again and continue to adjust your design as much as you like until you're happy with it. Okay, and just speeding this up again because it took me forever to finalize the design. So just to show you, you can edit it as much as you like. Had to add a little pink bandana for Honey. Okay, once you're happy with your design, you can go ahead and click on the purple checkout button. And this is going to take you to shipping details where you can put in your shipping information and your contact info. Then you'll put in your payment info. Then you'll have your order submitted for printing, and Canva will take care of all of it. They have a 100% happiness guarantee, so if you aren't happy with the quality of the print, you can reach out to them. Thanks for watching. I hope you found that helpful. Come hang out with us at Honeybee Designs on Instagram or order your own custom vector pet at honeybeedesigns.com. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more Canva tips and tricks.